Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review our second half of 2023 highlights. My name is Liana Stankova, and I'm a consultant certified in onboarding. I'm located in London, UK, and work for Veritas Prime, a global SAP SuccessFactors partner. We are one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancies, specializing in implementing and supporting SuccessFactors with clients across the globe. As part of our release coverage, I will be reviewing some key release updates for onboarding. For complete release analysis, you can connect with us on our website at veritasprime.com, the Contact Us link, or for current clients, reach out to your project manager or CSM. Let's begin by looking at our first highlight. Our first highlight is around the custom tasks for onboarding and offboarding programs. You're now able to add custom tasks to the onboarding programs and the offboarding programs and define these as mandatory or optional, set a due date, and assign it to new hires, employees, managers, or a responsible group. Being able to add custom tasks will mean that there is a more comprehensive list of onboarding tasks that need to be completed and are specific to your business onboarding process. This is a universal change, so it will be applicable in your systems for you to utilize as needed. Our second highlight is the delegation of onboarding tasks. Users can now delegate their new hire or custom tasks to another person. This can be done either as a mass delegation or individual delegation. This will be especially beneficial if the responsible user is going to be out of office or going through a busy work period, which might have previously caused a delay in completing the tasks assigned to them. This is also a universal change, so it will be available in your systems. Our third change is enhancements to the I-9 form for the US. There are multiple updates to the I-9 form. We have highlighted the following for your information. The sections 1 and 2 are now on a single PDF page. The preparer or translator information has now been moved to a supplement A, and the list of acceptable documents has been updated. Earlier this year, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service released a new version of the I-9 form, which now can be found in SuccessFactors, so you can utilize this new form. Again, this is a universal change, so it will be made available in the system for you with the new release. Our next highlight is around the enhanced onboarding process for internal hires. The enhanced onboarding process for internal hires feature is based on functionalities of centralized services in SAP Employee Central. This was part of the second half 2022 release updates, but this now has become opt-in or opt-out. So this is some customer configuration involved. If you need support, feel free to reach out to your CSM or to your program manager, and we're happy to help out. The new employment profile selection page for rehires and internal hires is another opt-in functionality available with the new release. Using the new employment profile selection page, you can choose a matching employment profile and proceed to onboard internal hire or rehire an employee on legal entity transfer with the new employment. The employment profile selection page gives you the option to identify the applicable workflow, which includes rehire with new employment or proceed as internal hire. You can now onboard internal hires and rehires having a new employment from a single page. Please note that the employment profile selection page is only available if you choose the initiate onboarding option from SAP SuccessFactors Recruiting. And finally, we have replacement of Onboarding 1.0 with Onboarding. The SuccessFactors Onboarding 1.0 module will reach end of maintenance November 6, 2025, and will be deleted on June 6, 2026. For those of you still on Onboarding 1.0, you need to start planning a reimplementation with the new onboarding solution to allow your onboarding functionality to continue after Onboarding 1.0 is deleted. You should start considering this now. The change will be universal. However, configuration of Onboarding 2.0 is something that needs to be initiated. So please reach out to your CSM or product manager at Veritas Prime if you want to start discussions around moving from Onboarding 1.0 to the latest onboarding solution. That is all for our highlights of the onboarding module. I appreciate you taking the time to review this, and as always, visit veritasprime.com for more information. Thanks and have a great day.